There are positive aspects about every South American country, but here is a reason not to go to them, from A to Z. Argentina used to be one of the world's richest countries, but has suffered many economic crises in the last century. Bolivia's capital city is located at the highest altitude of any capital, which can cause altitude sickness and fatigue. Brazil has a high level of street crime. Chile is at risk of many natural disasters, including earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, wildfires, etc. Colombia receives the most rainfall in the world. Ecuador has had to declare a state of emergency due to the outbreak of violence. Guyana has the most deaths from snake bites in the Americas. Paraguay has problems with widespread corruption and bribery. Peru's capital Lima has high levels of air pollution. Suriname has limited healthcare available outside the capital Paramaribo. Uruguay has the most expensive Big Mac outside of Europe. Venezuela has the world's highest crime rate.